Today we're going to talk about files. To access your files for each specific course, you need to make sure you're in that course, and then it's one of the bottom ones that says files. Files are kind of like your Google Drive or your files on your computer. It's just going to hold all the files for that course. Every time you upload files into assignments, it automatically adds it to your files. Also, if you wanted to upload from your computer already, so if you have all of your assignments, all of your files for that course on your computer in your Google Drive, you can first upload them into your files, so that way when you go to add them to assignments, they're already there and organized. So you can create folders within it. So if you click on New Folders, you can create a folder. So maybe I want to do Unit 1. Then I can add files to my Unit 1 folder. And you can just click all my files to go back to your files. So you can create folders just like you can on your desktop or on Google Drive. You can also upload existing files that you have. So this is all my files for all my courses, not just for English 3. So you can also click on your account and then your files button, and then it'll show you all the files for all of your courses. So you have the option of adding them in for each specific course as you go, or just seeing all your files together. So we go back to my English 3. Again, we can see the Unit 1 folder I just added. It'll also show you all of your unfiled assignments as well, or your unfiled documents. Okay, so let's say we wanted to upload an assignment. You just click the upload button, and then it'll bring up your files for you. So if you're on your desktop computer, it'll bring up your files section for you. Then if you want to open up something in a folder, you just click on the folder, click on what it is, and it'll show you a preview of what that assignment is. So this one is a PDF file. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can make it full screen, you can download that file, you can look at the information for that file. So this tells you the name, the status, the kind, the size, when it was modified, and when it was created. You can also sort between them, so if you wanted to preview all of those files, you were looking for a specific file you wanted to maybe download, or before you go to add an assignment, you wanted to double check it, and so you went to your file selection, you can easily go through all of your files for that one. You just click close to exit out of it. Okay, so you can also search for your files in general, and then you can just type in just like you would on Google Drive. You can also click the View button, which the View button will just look at that preview again. You can click the Manage Access button, so it'll tell you for this document, do you want to keep it published, unpublished, or restrict access to it? You can just click on the Download button, so if you wanted to download this and you didn't need to open it up to look at it, you could just click on the Download button. You can click on the Move button, so if I wanted to move this to another folder, say I wanted to move it to Unit 1, I just click on it and click Move. And you can also delete that item as well. And just like with your computer, you can click Control and select multiple documents at once. So if I wanted to delete all of those, I could. Also, you can click on the gear button right next to it, click Download, Rename, Move, Delete, or Share to Commons. So that's how you can easily move your assignments in your files. So your files are going to host all of your files that you have already uploaded into Canvas. You can also use this as a means of managing all of your files as well. So if you didn't want to keep them on the computer and you don't have a Google Drive or some sort of online web-based, cloud-based file server, you can also leave them all on Canvas as well.